Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can easily pair the Teufel Real headphones with your iPhone. So, firstly we have to head over settings, and here we have to enter here Bluetooth. Now we have to turn on our headphones, and when they are turned on we have to double click to enter the pairing mode. And when they are in pairing mode, they should be here. We have to tap in our devices list on our headphones. And all done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.